Hello! Disconnecting everything from the engine right now so that we can drop the engine down out of the car, pull it out, and then I can start looking at it outside of the car and probably take everything off, clean it, put it all back together, make sure everything's working how it's supposed to. So, yeah.
What are you doing right now?
Right now I'm just breaking connections so I can, right now there's a wire, I don't know what it's connected to, but I gotta take it off so we can get the engine out.
Yes,
Bob, what are you doing?
I'm just being the supply person and clean up
Nice.
at this point, and then hopefully we'll be able to get the engine down and out. So.
All right, me and my dad found something super interesting. We were working on trying to disconnect the transmission, so I went down there to disconnect it and have a new theory about maybe what caused our car to fail back when I was driving in college. And let me show you. Sliding on under. Oh, stuck. Okay, here we go. So we were looking under here, and the next step to disconnect the transmission was to remove a couple nuts from these bolts back here. So when we looked for the nuts, we realized they weren't there. So there's one of the bolts with no nut on it. Same thing on this other side. One of the other bolts with no nut on it. We don't quite understand why there's no nut there. One of our theories is that we actually, may have had it serviced. I remember the clutch was being a little loose. The way it failed, or when I remember feeling it, there was kind of like a pop sound or some kind of sound. So maybe the nuts just weren't torqued on there well enough, or maybe there wasn't enough transmission fluid and it got really hot or something. Good find, I think. We're still going to drop the engine, and I still want to go in there and probably replace a lot of the gaskets and replace a lot of the hosing. I guess that was probably, 15 years ago now. So do you want to do it right there in the middle? Isn't that where the oil thing is?
The oil thing is over. I see him just start pushing up on it, see what happens.
There you go, it's coming down.
That's cool.
Wait, Dad, don't get too close to it. It tips back, let the engine fall. Well, get out of there, Dad. Don't
I know. I'm just looking to see.
Looks like it's coming down. Yeah.
Is the whole thing coming down?
Yeah, the whole engine was coming down.
Oh,
yep.
That's coming down.
Yeah. Oh, I see. Yeah, the top bolts are off, but the bottom bolts might not be off. We might be tweaking it.
Yeah. So you
may come back up.
When we come back up some?
Yeah.
Let's tweak this way.
Which way?
This way. So
okay.
if you
I can't. I have to hold it, otherwise it's going to fall over.
Okay.
So if you want to hold it.
Well, can you pull it this way a little bit? Since you said it was. I just want to make sure it's off. Okay, I guess it
seems like it's off to me, but I'm holding it up.
Okay.
Yeah, that just falls out. That's supposed to do. Okay. Now it's off.
Well, hopefully it's off.
Might have broke a bolt or two, but we're never going to be able to get it back in.
Yeah, well, it's amazing how big it is.
I know. There she is. Woo!
Cam.
Success! Engine! Dad, high five.
Out.
Got it.
So how long did that take?
That wasn't
All
too bad.
day.
Yeah, all day.
Which is how many hours?
I don't know. Probably 5 hours.
5 or 6 hours, yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
What is all this stuff, Bri? I know nothing
This is
about
engine.
engines.
Neither do I really. Starter, probably.
You were gonna learn.
Engine.
Yeah.
Look at all those
Engine.
spiders. Dead spiders in the engine. Look. Look at all those things.
Wow, it's pretty clean, really.
For how old it
Isn't
is?
it?
15 years of just sitting.
My gosh, I think my engine looks worse.
Alright.
Very cool.